All right, this lesson is going to be lesson 16. We're going to be talking about the circumference and area of a circle. All right, so I have a circle here, and I need to find the circumference and area. Let's first talk about what circumference and area is. All right, so I'm going to write up here circumference. Okay, so the circumference of a circle is the measurement of the outside of the circle. Okay, so we are measuring the outside of a circle. Okay, it's a little bit trickier than measuring just like a square, right? Because if you had a square and you knew that this side was 4, this side was 4, this side was 4, and this side was 4, you just add up all 4 sides and you would know what the perimeter of a square is. But now we're doing a circle, so it's a little bit trickier. Okay, so the circumference is the measurement of the outside of the circle. The area of a circle is going to be the measurement of the inside of the circle. All right, so those are the two differences. All right, I'm going to erase this now. Let's talk about two more things with circles, two terms that we might not have heard of yet. We have a radius and a diameter. Erase that here. All right, so if I have a measurement from the middle of my circle to the outside, that is called the radius. So let's say that this is 10. Okay, from the length from the middle of the circle to the outside, that is the radius. Okay, the diameter would be the measurement from one end to the other. Okay, so the diameter of this circle would be 20, because you have 10 plus 10, the whole diameter would be 20. Okay, to find the circumference, there's two equations. I'm sorry, there's one equation. There's two different equations to find circumference and area. So circumference of a circle is going to be 2 times pi, Greek symbol pi, times our radius. Okay, pi is 3.14. All right, I'll write that over here. Pi is approximately 3.14, or 22/7. Okay, area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. All right, so let's try to find, I'm going to give a little bit harder numbers here than 10. Let's do, or a little bit easier numbers. Let's do 3. Okay, so my diameter is going to be 6. My radius is 3. So to find the circumference, I'm going to do 2 times 3.14, which is my pi, times my radius, which is 3. All right, so this will tell me the measurement of the outside of the circle. So if I do 2 times 3.14 times 3, I get 18.84. Okay, so that's my measurement on the outside of the circle. If I want to get my measurement on the inside of the circle, I'm going to find the area. Okay, so down here, I'm going to do area equals my pi, which is 3.14, times my radius squared. My radius is 3. 3 squared is going to be 9, right? Because 3 squared equals 3 times 3, which is 9. So I'm going to do 3.14 times 9, and that is going to give me an area of 28.26. Okay, so that is the difference between circumference and area of a circle.